Hey guys, Ricardo and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to actually fake your location or how to actually change your location on Android. So if you're on an Android device, you can actually use this to fake or spoof your location. Now this can come in handy in case you're pranking friends or so on. So if you're interested in this tutorial, let's stick around back in here. And of course you can see the check-in, and of course the location services is on. As you can see, location there, and the app is running in the background. Now as you see here, it's telling me that I'm in City Hall, New York, right? And in fact I am not in City Hall, New York. Now I could quickly change this as well, so I'm going to come back in a second. I'll change it. I'm going to just change the location. Alright guys, I'm back. I've just changed the location and I'm going to check in again. And as you're seeing here, I was in New York. I'm just going to refresh just a few times. And as you can see, it shows that I'm in Trafalgar Square that I've checked in, and that should be somewhere in England. So the app I'm actually using here is just a app that you can actually use on your phone to easily change your location. So you can put your location anywhere in the world. You can use this to trick various apps such as Facebook, Instagram, and others such as even Pokemon Go to think you're in one location when you're actually not. Now this app, of course, is called, and I'll show you over here, it's actually called Fake GPS Location. So all you have to do, guys, is just go to the Play Store, and of course once you're in the Play Store, you're going to type in Fake GPS Location, and of course there's a variety of options, and the one you actually want is, it's actually this one down here that you can see right here. It's called Fake GPS Location. Now, the reason I like this version is because it has a very clean interface. As you can see, the interface is quite smooth. It matches the material design of the latest version of Android. So this one is the one I actually recommend, and it's easy to understand. Once it's installed, guys, first thing you're going to do is, next, you're going to go into settings. You're going to enable developer options. In order to enable developer options, you need to go into about. You need to find the build number. You're going to tap this until it shows that you have become a developer. You go back. You're going to go to developer options, and once you're in here, guys, you're going to search for the option down here that says allow mock location. You need to turn this feature on. This feature is not turned on, this app will not work. Please remember, you can also use other GPS spoofing apps, but I recommend this one that's called Fake GPS Location. So once you have done that, make sure that your GPS is on. I've already done this just to show you guys. So the first thing I want to do, guys, once you are in here, is that you're gonna just go ahead, and if you do not like any of these predefined areas, you're just gonna hit on the plus button here, and then of course it's gonna take you somewhere. So like for example, if I wanted to, I could actually search for Japan. I'm just gonna do a search. Of course I'm taking over to Japan, and all you have to do, guys, is just pan around, and for example, say I want to go to an area somewhere like here. All I have to do is just tap on the area or the general area, and then I'll tap on the check mark. If you know a specific longitude and latitude, you can actually input that, and of course you're gonna tap this button here, and once you do that, you're gonna select Japan down here. Of course you're just gonna say yes, and of course this would mean that the location has been selected. And in case you haven't started as yet, I've already started the app, so you can actually go ahead and stop, or in your case it should say start. You're just gonna hit start. Make sure your GPS is on, and of course the app running in the background will show your address, which is Japan, and the exact longitude and latitude of the area you're in. So once you do that, guys, you can go back to the app. For example, Facebook, I'm just showing you Facebook check-in, and of course you can go back to Facebook check-in, and you can actually refresh, and of course you see there I am in this this place right here. I'm not even sure what this is saying, but as you can see, it's in Japanese to show that I'm checking in this area. So you can actually tag your pictures or check in from a certain location, or have your pictures show any location at all. This will work on certain apps as well. It should work on apps such as Pokemon Go, so you can actually fake or spoof your location. Alright guys, if you have found this tip useful, please give us a thumbs up. This is Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying goodbye until next time. Bye.